Welcome to Pocket Women Lockpicking and Lock Sport. Today is a package day, and I have a package here that I have been holding on to for a little while now because I've been unable to do the package opening, and it's from our good mate, ding ding ding, Noctis Motus. He's an Aussie picker, he's an excellent picker. Fantastic, helpful member of our community. Very generous. He has helped me out so many times. So I'm just going to crack this open. Put a plug in there. Move the frogs. Hopefully it's in front. Okay, so is this the package? Yep. Okay, don't need this little beastie anymore. Cut myself. Now, when we did that challenge for Mr. Harass or Harass about going out in the street and showing him what sort of I just got distracted by just what I saw, by what sort of locks we'd like to have or pick, but we can't because they're out in the wild. So mine was a whole bunch of locks, but one of the main ones was the Abus 83, because I see it around here all the time. The council uses it a lot and stuff, so I always wanted to get my hands on one of those. So he said to me that he's got a heap of spare parts for him, and he was happy to send me one to put together. But this is more than just a lock. Check this out. He sent me some them U-Butte circlip removers. That's the off one. That's the on one. Oh, thank you so much. These were the ones that he told us about that were on sale. Check out his channel if you want to know where and from where to get these from. But he said they're really pretty good quality and worth having. So now he's made it happen for me. Thank you very much. They're great. Okay, is this the padlock? Oh, might just put this under here so I don't lose it through the slats on the table. He said I'd have to learn how to put a shackle in and start. Oh, isn't it beautiful? Have a look at it. Abus 83 patented. That's our in sockets. So as I learn how to do this, of course I will pass my knowledge on to you so that you too know how to put together an Abus 83. There's the shackle. Very nice. Springs and pins. Oh no, that's just miscellaneous crap. Oh, always like miscellaneous crap. Excellent, thank you. Okay, the core. Part of the actuator, perhaps. Spring circlip ball bearings. Oh no, that's the thing that goes inside. Part of the actuator process. Aha, pins and springs. Very nice. This is very exciting, very exciting. Okay, here's the core. That's interesting, isn't it? Looks like it's got a bit of a plastic sleeve inside. Yeah, it has. Check that out. Can you see it? Where's the light? There we go. A plastic sleeve on the inside. That's interesting. It does rotate. Okay, that's going to be fun finding out what all that is about, why they added a plastic internal sleeve, what the function of that sleeve would be. Okay, that's interesting. And of course, blank keys for it so I can make my own keys. Fantastic. This is just great. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Woohoo! It is a happy day when things on your wish list come true. So thank you very much, Noctis Motus. I really appreciate all this. Circlip removers, thank you for thinking of me with tools once again. This is great. This is a beautiful looking padlock, isn't it? Okay, I'll stop drooling over this and let's just get on with your day. Thanks for watching. Stay legal. Temptation is everywhere.